Here I've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 6 Pro, and let me show you how to change date and time on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then locate and click on additional settings, and here just go to date and time. And now you can either use automatic date and time, or you can turn it off, and now you can pick the date and time by yourself. So it's up to you what date and time it currently is. Then you can do exactly the same thing with your time zone, so just unmark automatic time zone and select the one from the list. So at first you have to pick the region, and then it has been applied as we've got just one. Let me switch off dark mode. And then let's go back. You can also change the time format, just click on time format, and here pick if you'd like to have 12 or 24-hour format clock. You can also have the automatic setup, but I will pick 12-hour format clock. And this is it. Whenever you would like to go back to automatic setup, it's just about those to click, and now your date and time and also time zone would be set up automatically. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.